Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the Bluetooth problem in your device OnePlus 9 Pro. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's move to the video. So if in your device OnePlus 9 Pro you are having the Bluetooth problem, your Bluetooth is not connecting, like you are connecting any external device like earpods or anything with Bluetooth and it's not connecting or not working, you can solve this issue by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the Bluetooth problem in your device OnePlus 9 Pro. Let's watch the video.